All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride our 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. Rocket 350 small block, 4 shifter. As you can see, it's the original style, no changes as Hearst or any modernized kind of feature. This has tilt steering, power windows, power steering, power brakes. As you can see, everything's all intact. A really solid car we got here. And the outside is just as good as the inside. Has a black exterior with the stock style Rally Cutlass rims painted black as well. With the white interior, it gives it more of a more secret spy kind of look. But besides that, let's show you the brakes. Brakes are real solid. Got an aftermarket retro sound radio, which does indeed work. Factory style 134A system AC. And yeah, as we're going up the road here, quiet little car, grabs a lot of attention. Of course, it's just like a Buick Skylark or a Chevy Chevelle. They wanted to really go for the coupe style, especially in the 70s. Although 71 to 72 is alike, they still had little features that depicted them, which made them a nicer car. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.